Good evening, everyone. What's happening, Anthony? We up in here on a Monday night. I guess technically, for some people, it may be Tuesday night if you get off this Friday. If you get off work for July 4th. Howdy, Gregory. Good to see you in here. Oh, sometimes the video, when I go live, it doesn't always notify everybody, so I'm glad people are seeing it. Yeah, Earl, all the teams got paid up and good to go. Dwayne, I apologize, Dwayne. Maybe I'll let you know next basketball one I got. The Rockets usually do pretty good for whatever reason. I probably just jinxed them, but they have some random big plays sometimes with Harden or Westbrook. But I won't keep you guys waiting too long. Looks like we got 19 people in here already, so people are ready to go. There's your box odds there. If you want to take a screenshot of that, take a look at it. We're looking for those numbered out of 25. Yeah, get that full refund. We got the orange fluorescent Mosaic prisms. There's a large misspelling there. All right, we got 10 boxes, 32 cards per box. So we got 320 cards to rip through here. Usually takes us about 50 minutes to an hour. All my batteries are charged, ready to go. Hope you guys are juiced up, ready to go for the next hour. Don't know that anything will top last Friday. We pulled that Ja Morant Genesis and actually sent it out expedite, and it still wasn't there this morning, so I'm trying to track it down. Couldn't get a hold of them this afternoon. I'm going to have to call them in the morning, but that's a crazy high dollar card still in the mail somewhere. So anyways, I appreciate all you guys getting paid up. I think there was about 20 different bidders, so we got 22 people in here, so that should be about everybody. Hopefully if somebody jumps in, just holler at me, and we can do a little quick recap and let them know what they got going on. So without further ado, we'll get to ripping. Oh, I sure hope I can do it again. That would be something special. Alrighty, here we go. These packs get on my nerves just a little bit because there's only 4 cards per pack. So I do a whole lot of ripping and not a whole lot of showing. Alright, we'll start off with a Wesley Matthews. Bogdan Bogdanovic. We got a Bobo green rookie card there. It's a good start to get a rookie color. And then Sekou Doumbouya, rookie card as well. Anytime we get some rookie color or big name color, I like to go ahead and get it sleeved up. Get her sleeved up before we start going crazy here. Pack's a little stiff tonight. Kevin Love, Karl Anthony Towns. We got a will to win of CJ McCollum. And Steph Curry MVPs. Furkan Korkmaz, Rudy Gay, Jordan Clarkson, Mosaic, and Kobe White, rookie card there. Try to keep my piles nice and neat over here so that it makes it easy to sort. I found myself sorting cards for about 30 minutes after the break, and got to get a little more efficient than that. Thomas Bryant, Lou Williams. We got a Anthony Davis Jam Masters there for the Lakers. No color on that one, just a base. And a Patrick Ewing, Team USA. Alright, we got a Gordon Hayward, De'Aaron Fox, Oju Anunoby. I think I butchered his name right there, but for the Raptors, green mosaic, and a Bruno Fernando rookie card for the Hawks. We got a Gary Harris, Kevin Durant, base card there. Old school Dennis Rodman, just the base. And Darius Garland, NBA debut. Nothing crazy out of this first blaster. In fact, it's been rather underwhelming. Robert Covington, Mike Conley. We got a Wilt Chamberlain, Hall of Fame. It's a nice card for the Lakers. And there's a Zion Williamson. So I get to mouthing about the box and shuts me up real quick there. I'll go ahead and sleeve this one up. Get in the top loader as well. Got our first Zion, and it's the regular base, no debut or anything, so that's a good sign. The Pelicans actually went for probably the cheapest they've ever went today, so hopefully they can get their money's worth pretty quick. I'll put that one right there. I think they're around 160 today, so you never know. Might get a little bit of a steal. Alright, we got Victor Oladipo, Chris Middleton, and a Dominic Wilkins. And did we get gypped right there, or am I delusional? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and none of those have an extra card in it. So it looks like somebody gypped us of a card. Isn't that something? Well, we got 3 cards out of that pack and no color. We got a Hall of Fame there. And then we got 2 base, so I'm not sure what we got gypped. It's probably some sort of insert, because it could have been a rookie, I guess, but Hall of Fames are usually on the back. We only had 3 cards out of that pack. Brian, yeah, we got this Zion out of the first box there. Zion base. I've never had that happen, though. That was odd. I've had packs where we've gotten less in football. I've also had packs where we've gotten more in football, but never been shorted in Mosaic yet. All right. Hopefully that's not a trend. Alec Burks, Chris Middleton, got a Nickeil Alexander-Walker, green Mosaic rookie, and Taco Fall rookie card. I'll try to be quick with these sleeves, but I do like to get these things covered up. Try to go this way. There we go. Goes in a little bit better on that side there. There we go. All right, Troy Brown Jr., Kyle Kuzma, got a Jam Masters of Donovan Mitchell, and Steph Curry, Team USA. Seth Curry, Marcus Morris base, got a Davis Bertans. I call it just the regular Mosaic. I guess you'd call it like a silver Mosaic or something like that. But they're for the Wizards. And KZ Okpala, rookie card for the Heat. grief. There we go. Pack was nifty. Alright. JJ Redick, DeAndre Bembry, old school Chris Webber, and we got a Zion NBA debut. Couple Zions to get her rolling. We were due for some Zions after Friday. We didn't pull one Zion out of 3 mega boxes. Not one Zion. We got a Harrison Barnes, Jay Crowder, Markieff Morris is our green Mosaic. Probably saw this card already. Rui Hachimura, our rookie for the pack. Oh no, I thought that was something else. Kevin Knox, Montrezl Harrell, Nikola Jokic, Got Game insert, and a Charles Barkley Hall of Fame. Got an Austin Rivers, Spencer Dinwiddie, Rui rookie card in the green Mosaic form. That's just the NBA debut, but still some nice green there. We got a PJ Washington with a weird looking print line down the left side there over his shoulder. I'm not sure what that's about. Pretty sure that is a line though, not just like a mark, so I'm not sure that we'll be able to get that out of there with a cloth or anything. But got another Rui there. I hate when we get those cards that have print errors. All right, we got Tobias Harris, Tim Hardaway Jr. We got a will to win of Anthony Davis, green Mosaic there. And Nicolo Melli, NBA debut. Let's sleeve this one up. So we got another Zion out of that box. So Pelicans are rocking and rolling. Yeah, John, I opened up some blasters. Probably the second time I did a Mosaic break, and there was just base after base card where you could tell that the next card had already started on printing on this card, and it was like a 1/4 inch into the card. Just depressing. Luckily, it was only on the base cards for some reason, so I don't know if they did most of their testing on the base and try to get things fixed or what, but I don't know if y'all can see down on the table, but when I get done breaking, there's just all kinds of little dust and particles from the cards as well. Nikola Jokic, DJ Augustine. We got a Larry Bird green Mosaic there for the Celtics, and a Kai Bowman rookie card. James Harden, Giannis base, Kyle Guy rookie card for the Kings. Just getting some green Mosaic rookies, that's good. Magic Johnson, Team USA. That's our 4th rookie that's of color in 3 boxes, so they're beating the odds a little bit there. No huge names, though. We did get a Rui debut that was green, but we got Josh Hart, Anthony Davis, will to win of LeBron. Just the base version, unfortunately, but that's still a good card. and Lucas Simonic, rookie for the Spurs. There you go. That one little flap always gets hung up there. Buddy Hield, Jeff Teague. We got a Wesley Matthews. I want to say I pull a Wesley Matthews green mosaic about every break. I'm not sure why, but and a Kendrick Nunn NBA debut for the Heat. I swear I turn off these notifications, but they keep popping up. Jamal Murray, Patty Mills, Terrence Ross, Jam Masters, just the base version, and Quindari Weatherspoon rookie card for the Spurs. A couple Spurs rookies back to back there. DeMar DeRozan, Jason Tatum base, Rashawn Holmes, green mosaic there, and a Patrick Ewing Hall of Fame. Show me something good. Goran Dragic, Nikola Vucevic, got an old school Tracy McGrady, and Ignas Brazdeikis rookie card for the Knicks. Well, that was about the crappiest pack I've opened. Woo! Get that one out of the way. Don't ever come back. Yikes. Nasty. Just nasty. Nicholas Batum, Dorian Finney-Smith, Oscar Robertson Hall of Fame, green mosaic there, and a Brandon Clark NBA debut for the Grizzlies. So that was a pretty garbage box, if you ask me. Box 1 and 2 had Zion, so can't do too much complaining, I guess, unless you're not the Pelicans. But for personal box, that wouldn't be too bad. Nikola Jokic, Jared Allen. Oh, that's a nice card. I like these AI cards. He's got a few cards in here. That's a green AI, old school. You got a Kai Bowman rookie card. James Harden, Joe Ingles, Kyle Anderson, green mosaic for the Grizzlies, and Magic Johnson, USA Basketball again. Josh Hart, Damian Lillard, Jam Masters Paul George, and Lucas Simonic rookie card once again. For the Spurs, I got 3 or 4 rookies rolling so far. Buddy Hield, Langston Galloway. Oh yeah, there we go. This is a kind of a rare card to pull for the Cavs. It's kind of a hit or miss for the Cavs if you're going to find one of these. We did a Kendrick Nunn debut on the back for the Heat. But we sure did. This is the one of the cards the Cavs want if they're running up that bid. This is what they're looking for. And they found it. I don't know if the Cavs are in here or not. That's a nice card. Up there with that Zion that we pulled. This actually may be a more valuable card. I'm not sure. But it just looks sick. Just looks sweet. Jamal Murray, Jaylen Brown, old school Steve Nash, just the base version. I don't know how. I don't think I've seen that card very often. Another Spurs rookie, Quindary Weatherspoon. That's 4 or 5 base rookies they picked up. DeMar DeRozan, DJ Augustine. I got a PJ Tucker for the Rockets, green mosaic, and Patrick Ewing Hall of Fame. Goran Dragic, Giannis, base. I got game Blake Griffin, and Ignas Brazdeikis, rookie card. Not the Knicks rookie that we want to see. We're 4 boxes in, no Ja, no RJ. It's about time to start complaining, seeing what we can make happen. Nicholas Batum, Anthony Davis base. Got an OG Anunoby green again. That's our second one for the Raptors. And a Brandon Clark NBA debut. Second one there. That might have been a duplicate pack from what we had earlier. I can't remember what that lineup was, but we will move along to box number 5. We did pull a green LeBron MVPs for the Cavs, so now we got to show the Lakers some love. That always stinks when there's 4 or 5 good LeBron James cards you can get for the Lakers, and we pull the one big one for the Cavs. Oh, it's just, you hate to see it. Poor Lakers, you know. Poor Lakers. Josh Okogie. We got our first silver. Dang, it has been a second since I've seen a silver. We haven't pulled one yet. Okogie, Draymond Green, got Jeremy Grant for the Nuggets. What a buzzkill. Admiral Schofield rookie card for the Wizards. I tell you what, though, the Pacers, the Nuggets, some of these lower tiered teams that usually don't sell for, about $8 or $10 seem to always squeak out some nice colored card. A silver. Pacers usually always get a silver for some reason. Demonis Sabonis, Markieff Morris, Colin Sexton, green there. Don't see too many of his cards in here. And a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Hall of Fame. That dadgum corner is just eating me alive tonight. Got to practice ripping. Jordan Clarkson, Marvin Bagley. Got a Clyde Drexler, Jam Masters, and Eric Pascal rookie card for the Warriors. That's another one we hadn't seen anything crazy for, is the Warriors. Warriors, Lakers, Grizzlies, and Knicks need a little love. Probably some other teams as well. Winslow, Devontae Graham, Karl Anthony Towns, green mosaic for the T-Wolves. We got a Dwayne Wade, USA Basketball. Terrence Ferguson, Jabari Parker, got old school Daryl Dawkins. This is going to be our no color pack. And Goga Bitadze, rookie card for the Pacers. Drew Holiday, DeJounte Murray, got a Kyle Guy, so the Kings are stacking up on the Kyle Guy color. This is the mosaic, a little bit rarer version of mosaics there. Just the silver looking color. Jordan Poole NBA debut. I'm not sure. I guess I would just call this the mosaic. If it's green, I'll call it green mosaic. But because I hate to say silver, and because you got the base silver. The base silver is going to be probably more rare than this would be, honestly. But a couple good Kyle guys that come out of these boxes so far. Dario Saric, Patrick Beverly. Got game of Trey Young. And Cam Reddish rookie cards. That's the first Cam that we've seen. Got one more pack. We're at the halfway point. We had pulled a couple nice cards. A Zion and LeBron MVPs, but nothing crazy. Willie Cauley-Stein, Joe Harris, Marcus Smart, green Mosaic. It looks good with the Celtics there, but not a huge player. Pete Maravich, Hall of Fame to round it out. All right, we got a little work to do for sure on these last 5 boxes, but that's 160 cards in front of us, so a lot can happen right here. We'll pull from the left. Hopefully we got some good luck on these last 5. Got a big old heap of trash going on already over here. All right, Kelly Olynyk, Frank for the Knicks. We got Aaron Gordon, so that's a little bit bigger name player. Silver there. And DeAndre Hunter rookie card. So not bad. We get us a little Aaron Gordon silver. Always want to see rookies. But probably the best player for the Magic there. Jake Layman, Damian Jones, you got Steven Adams, green Mosaic for the Thunder, and Larry Bird, USA Basketball. TJ Warren, Kyrie Irving, you got old school Amari Stoudemire, and Talon Horton-Tucker rookie card for the Lakers. No, Lakers got a ways. Oh yeah, we got the security in here. This pack fitting to be fire. Come out with guns a-blazing. Wendell Carter Jr., Royce O'Neal. There's a Kyrie Irving. That's not bad. Kyrie green Mosaic there. And a Jarrett Culver NBA debut. So we'll go ahead and sleeve up that Kyrie. Although some might not like him, he's a talented player for sure. Ben Simmons, Eric Bledsoe. There's another Ben Simmons. Got game. And Jordan Poole rookie card for the Warriors. I didn't realize it. I'm pretty sure. No, I'm thinking of somebody else. There's a guy I'm thinking of that is maybe just Jordan Poole. Somebody for the Warriors, I thought they played like guard position. They had post stats. They're like a center or something. I thought it was Jordan Poole. Maybe it's somebody else. Jeremy Grant. Danny Green. We got Taco Fall. Mosaic. For the Celtics. NBA debut version. But nonetheless, we got Hall of Fame. Karl Malone. This is a nice card for sure. For the Celtics. Taco Fall. He's a giant. Russell Westbrook, Julius Randle. Looks like we got a give and go of Malcolm Brogdon for the Pacers. It's the first give and go we've seen tonight. Mafionde Kabingle, rookie card for the Clips. Alrighty, Bobby Portis, Kevin Huerter. You got a Grayson Allen green for the Grizzlies and Eric Pascal NBA debut. That box was decent. Got a Kyrie green, Taco Fall, Mosaic debut, And then we got a silver out of that box. It was Aaron Gordon, so it was okay. Nothing wild, but we did get some decent players on the color. Alrighty. 4 boxes left, and we still got some work to do for some teams. Seems like teams always get left out. Hopefully we can touch a little bit of everybody. Duncan Robinson, Lauri Markkanen. We got a Grant Williams rookie card. Silver for the Celtics. And NBA debut Taco Fall. Celtics just hitting it up the last 3 or 4 packs there. It's a nice looking silver too. I'll say Tremont. Got G League Rookie of the Year or something I heard from a couple different sources. I don't know if that's true or not, but the Tremont card might be worth a little bit. Josh Okogie, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Karis LeVert, green mosaic for the Nets, and Darius Garland rookie card for the Cavs. Man, we need something crazy. We ain't got no numbered cards yet, no autos. Demonis Sabonis, Karl Anthony Towns. We got a Jam Masters of Tracy McGrady and a Wilt Chamberlain MVPs. I don't know if I slow down, we'll have better luck maybe. If I speed up. It's got to be. We got to get something rare out of one of these boxes. Surely, right? Jordan Clarkson, Rudy Gay. Got a Darius Garland, green rookie there. The Cavaliers doing all right. And Jarrett Culver, rookie for the T-Wolves. Yeah, Cavaliers doing quite all right, I must say. With their LeBron MVP green. They got a Darius Garland green. They got a couple other rookies. I don't think we've seen a KPJ yet. We'll keep our eyes peeled, though. I want to see an auto here sometime. Justice Winslow, Lou Williams, Old School, Moses Malone, and Vince Carter, Team USA. Poor old Vince Carter had to retire this year. Not a cool way to go out for sure. I guess he didn't have to retire, but he's not going to come back for another year. So, Terrence Ferguson, De'Aaron Fox, Tristan Thompson, green mosaic. Ugh. And Cody Martin rookie card for the Hornets. It just irks me when a heavily mediocre players on the colored cards. We got Drew Holiday, Kevin Durant base, got game of Kawhi, just the base unfortunately, and a Ja Morant NBA debut. So we got our first Ja, 7 boxes in. Rough go of it. But we did snag one, and we got our security tag here, so maybe this will be our hot pack. We got to really pick up the pace here. We got a lot of work to do. Dario Saric, Mike Conley. We got a mosaic in here of Markieff Morris for the Pistons. And another Kyle Guy rookie card. You got about every variation of Kyle Guy this break for the old Kings. Kings are young. Their whole team is young. I don't know if they have a player with... I'm trying to think if they've got a player with really any playoff experience, honestly. I don't know. All right, 3 boxes left. Here we go. Ben Simmons, Rudy Gay. We got a silver here in the first pack again. Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Dallas Mavericks. That may be the first card that we've gotten for the Mavericks. And it's got that weird little... I'm trying to tell if that's a indention or if that's a piece of... I'm not going to rub on it, but it could be a piece of material, but I can't tell. Jalen Noel rookie card to finish that one out. always try to look at these cards. Most of the time the silvers look good, but that one's got something on it. And I can't tell what that is. It drives me nuts when there's print defects. Noticeable print. I get if there's like just a little tiny, like, you know, the edges may be a little bit wide, or I can sometimes understand, you know, a corner gets a little dinged or whatever, but when it's on the face of the card like that, come on. Jeremy Grant, Lou Williams, we got another Grayson Allen green for the Grizzlies, and Allen Iverson Hall of Fame. Russell Westbrook, De'Aaron Fox, you got Dominic Wilkins, Jam Masters for the Hawks, and Taco Fall, another Taco Fall rookie. That's the third or the fourth tonight. Bobby Portis, Kevin Durant again, DeJounte Murray, green mosaic for the Spurs, and Steph Curry, Team USA. Danilo Gallinari, Mike Conley, old school Wilt Chamberlain, KZ Okpala, rookie card for the Heat. Miles Turner, Chris Middleton. Hey, there's a James Harden, Mosaic MVPs. Got a couple big names on the MVP card. And hey, we got a Zion Williamson debut. There we go. That's a good pack. Go ahead, a little bit of a little something on it there. One of those little flus there. So we got two debuts. This is a nice card though for the Rockets. If I can show it a little bit better there. Kind of angled it down in the darkness. Coming from this side, maybe. There we go. All right. A couple big name MVP cards for sure. DeAndre Ayton, Kyle Kuzma, got game of Dame Lillard, and Rui Hachimura rookie card. A couple Rui's now. I think we got one green earlier. Here's our fire pack. Hopefully we got the fire pack right here because we found our little security tape or security sticker, whatever you want to call it. We got a Paul Millsap, Marcus Morris, Ricky Rubio, green mosaic, and a Charles Barkley Hall of Fame. Nothing wild out of that one. All right, we got 2 boxes left. 64 cards. And then you're all released for the evening to go do whatever you want to do. I haven't seen anybody comment like 30 minutes, so I could just be talking to myself for the last 30 minutes and not even, everybody just left. Malcolm Brogdon, Jay Crowder, we got a Kyle Kuzma, mosaic there. Boy, he's got a nice looking and funky hairdo going on. And Admiral Schofield, rookie card for the Wizards. Chris Paul, Marcus Morris, Will to Win of Anthony Davis. I think that's our second one of that. And Kobe White, NBA debut. Elfrid Payton, DeAndre Bembry, and boy, you saw that little flake fall off. Alec Burks, green mosaic for the Warriors, and Terrence Mann, rookie for the Clippers. Yeah, we got some work to do for Gregory. I think you've gotten one or two of your cards had that print problem. I think you may have had the Hornets too. That PJ Washington had that, like that cut in it. Willie Cauley-Stein, Kyle Kuzma. There's a give and go of Luka, just the base version, but we finally found one. And Oscar Robertson, Hall of Fame. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do on the Grizzlies, unless you're wanting 2 or 3 Grayson Allen green mosaics. Yeesh. Maybe the Kings will give you 3 or 4 of their Kyle guys to make up for it. Dario Saric, Chris Middleton. I tell you what, if you just start trolling the comments, Greg said he needed a Luka. He got a Luka. It wasn't a crazy one, but Michelle said, I got to get me a Ja Morant. He made it happen. It wasn't the Genesis Ja Morant, but that'll do, right? I don't know what that's worth, but that looks fancy. I just love seeing the colored cards of the bigger names. That always makes me feel good about myself. I don't like when we pull a bunch of crap all night. But we got a few good cards stacked up over here. We could use a couple more for sure, though. Maybe a couple more Kyle guys will make us happy. Good grief. Whoever got the Kings, I don't know if you like Kyle guy or not, but you're finna learn how to. Drew Holiday, Mike Conley, Kemba Walker, got game. I forgot he was in this insert. And Ja Morant, NBA debut. So you got a couple debuts, and you got one color. I love that throwback jersey that he wears in that base rookie card. It looks really, really nice. All right, we got Terrence Ferguson, Kevin Durant. Woo! If that was something special, we'd have some good Kevin Durant cards. Kevin Huerter, green mosaic, and Cody Martin for the Hornets rookie card. Justice Winslow. De'Aaron Fox, Kelly Oubre Jr., silver for the Suns, and a Vince Carter, Team USA. And that silver looks pretty good, honestly. Trying to look it over here, but I don't see anything I was seeing on those other ones. Or that one other one for the Mavericks. That Mavericks card was a little goofy at one spot. All right, last box. That box treated us fairly well, especially if you're the Grizzlies. Oh, we had one pack that was sideways in there. All right, here we go. Last box. Victor Oladipo, Bojan Bogdanovic, got a Jaylen Brown mosaic for the Celtics, and Steph Curry, MVPs. Wesley Matthews, Patty Mills. We got probably our last silver here. is DE for the Pistons. Derrick Rose. Actually, I like Derrick Rose. I wouldn't be too upset with that card. Nickeil Alexander-Walker rookie card. I think whenever I list the teams, I usually put Derrick Rose for the Pistons, even over Blake Griffin. So that'd be like my headliner player that I would advertise. I like Derrick Rose. He had kind of an unfortunate series of events, I feel like, with his injury, but he'd have been something special, I think. I mean, he still is good. He had some crazy moments last year, but that injury, I think, just put some age on his body, unfortunately. Kevin Love, Jason Tatum, Draymond Green for the Warriors, green mosaic, and another Rui Hachimura. It's an NBA debut there. Furkan Korkmaz, Nikola Vucevic, old school Scottie Pippen, base, and Nicholas Claxton. Rookie card for the Nets. I like my stacks going over here. I've got like 4 or 5 different stacks, but helps me know exactly which cards immediately need to be sleeved and top loaded, which ones need to be just sleeved, and then my base, of course. Thomas Bryant, Dorian Finney-Smith. You got a Cody Martin rookie card for the Hornets, green mosaic, and Shaquille O'Neal Hall of Fame. So we got another rookie color card there. Wish it would have been a PJ Washington, but that ain't bad. I think that guy's got a twin, maybe Cody and Corey. I don't know what his brother's doing though. Can't remember what team he played for or does play for. Gordon Hayward, Brian Forbes, LeBron James, Got Game, and Dylan Windler, rookie for the Cavs. All right, we got 2 packs left. Let's see what we can make happen. No numbered cards, no Genesis, no autographs out of 10 boxes. Come on. Gary Harris, Davis Caldwell Pope. We got Jimmy Butler for the Miami Heat. Green mosaic, that's a good one to get there. And we got an Atlanta Hawks DeAndre Hunter NBA debut. All right, last pack. I've seen some crazy things happen. Card number 319. A few breaks back, we pulled that same LeBron Cavaliers MVP green mosaic. So you just never know what's about to pop out. But the best of luck to you all. Robert Covington. Oh, man, not even any color. D'Angelo Russell. There's a Giannis, got games. That's a little bit of excitement there. And Sekou Demboya, rookie card to finish it out. Well, we had a little excitement. Nothing wild. Just kind of a mediocre break, if you ask me. Some teams did okay. We got Ja Morant, green rookie. A James Harden, mosaic MVPs. A LeBron James, green mosaic MVPs. We did get us a Zion base. We got a couple Zion debuts over there. We got a couple Ja debuts tucked away. We got a ton of big name inserts. Just nothing, no more real crazy color big names. We've got some mid-level players like the Butlers and Aaron Gordons of the world with some color to them. But anyways, I appreciate you guys. Everybody got paid up. I love seeing you guys repeat buying into the breaks. It just eases my mind a little bit. There's still 4 or 5 new people every break, and that makes things fun and interesting too. But if you enjoyed it, I'll probably do 2 basketball a week usually. I think I've got one on Friday again this week. Tomorrow's football, and probably my most exciting football break I've ever done. I finally snagged a hobby box to mix into the break, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you all have a short week like I do. We'll get Friday off and spend some time with the family, maybe relax, catch up on some much needed sleep, speaking personally for myself. But you guys have a good week. If you need anything, don't hesitate to message me on eBay or, through Messenger on Facebook, whatever you got to do. I'll see if I can help out. Otherwise, you guys take care and be safe. We'll see you.